Intro. Welcome to Connect to World, where we explore the meaning and usage of interesting words. Today, we're going to focus on the word happen. It's a fundamental word that describes events and occurrences. Let's get started. Meaning. Happen is a verb that describes the occurrence or taking place of an event, situation, or action. It's a word used to explain that something has occurred or come to pass, often without specific intent or planning. Pronunciation. Pronounce happen as ʻhapən, with the emphasis on the first syllable, hap. Use in a sentence. 1. Did you hear what happened at the concert last night? 2. Sometimes the most memorable moments are those that just happen unexpectedly. Synonyms. Synonyms for happen include occur, take place, transpire and fold, or happen upon. Conclusion. Happen is a word that reminds us of the unpredictable and often surprising nature of life. It's a term that encompasses all the events and occurrences that make our journeys unique and remarkable. Thanks for joining us, and may the events that happen in your life be filled with joy and meaning.